Yesterday, in an overly dramatic move, people are posting about Sony closing their manufacturing plant. Well, stop spreading that FUD. This does not, and I repeat, this does not affect BD movies. So if you buy Blu-ray disc movie or you buy 4K Blu-ray disc movie, this does not affect you at all. This only affects you if you use BDR, Blu-ray disc recordable, which in all intents and purposes, nobody uses BDR anymore. Although I still use BDR, and I have 3 BDR burners. So you guys just relax. The article itself is literally a clickbait just so people read the article. But not to my surprise, nobody reads the article and they just read the title. This is utterly annoying, fear-mongering, and stupid. This is why if you read an article that you like or you don't like in terms of the title, read the article first. Watch the video first. Don't just assume this, assume that.